What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today what I want to do is show you how to clone the underscores theme into your WordPress project. But before we get to that, if you can, head over to pixelweb.com. And if you want to support this project, the DevWP WordPress development theme, then consider making a purchase. It helps me to create these videos where I give you my experience of developing this theme for the past couple of years. You could also check out some of the other videos where I demonstrate the process, and you could see how we've evolved from a very basic workflow to a very advanced workflow. If we go over here to github.com, automatic, and then the _s, this is the underscores theme. Now it is an older project and it hasn't been updated in a while, but it still holds value. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the dust off of this project. We're going to update it, we're going to upgrade it, and we're going to make it a more advanced theme that we could use in our current projects. We're going to add block editor support. We're going to add the block patterns and block styles, and we're going to make this a hybrid theme. But in this video, what I want to do is go over the process of cloning it into your WordPress project itself. You could download it, or you could go to their dedicated website right here. But I think it makes sense to demonstrate how to clone it. So what you would do is over here where it says code, copy URL to clipboard, and then we're going to go into VS Code. And then from here, we could open our folder. I'm going to go into the HCDocs folder, and we're going to go into the WP test folder right here. That's the folder we're going to open right there. What I'll do is I'll go into the terminal. I'm going to change directory into the themes directory. What I did now was the ls-lah, and it shows me what I currently have installed. These are all the default themes from 2010 until now. And if you recall from a previous video, what we did was we used WP CLI to automate the process of installing WordPress. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out after this one. So what we're going to do here is we're going to type out git space clone space, and then we're going to paste in that URL that we copied to the clipboard. Hit enter, and now it's cloning the underscores theme into your themes folder. So now we see we have the underscore theme right there. We could change into that directory, and we can see what we have there. And that's it. It's a lot faster than having to go to the actual website, downloading it, getting the zip file, extracting it, then transferring it over to your HCDocs folder into your themes folder. Here, with a simple command, you can easily just clone the project into your folder. And then, as a matter of fact, let's show the process of using WP CLI to activate that theme. First thing we have to do is start up our servers. I'll start Apache and MySQL. Let's go back to the browser. As you can see, we're using one of the default themes. But now let's go back to VS Code. I'm going to go back to the root of the WP test folder itself. I'll type out WP theme list to see all the themes that are installed. And you see we have the 2022 theme is active. And we have our underscore theme over here. So now what I'll do is I'll type out WP theme activate underscores, and then hit enter. And now it says that we switched to that theme. Let's go back to the browser and verify that. Let's refresh this page. And now you see we're using the underscore theme itself. Now remember, underscores is very unstyled. It's a starter theme, and it's what we're going to be using as our base for DevWP. So to recap, in this video, we showed how to use the Git Clone Command to clone underscores into our WordPress project. And then we also used WP CLI to activate the underscore theme. We did that without having to actually log into our WordPress site. That's the power of WP CLI. It gives you the ability to manage and administer a bunch of functionality and features without actually having to log in. Again, if you want to support this channel, if you want to support this project, head on over to pixelweb.com and consider purchasing a copy of DevWP, and check out some of my other videos that I have here as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification icon, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy coding.